Hey friends, we're having a commercial umbrella repaired today. It's broken in 3 places. I'm going to try restoring it with a 3D printer. It's a well-worn umbrella, but they said they needed help fixing it. So, I need help. Part of the plastic on one of the hinges is missing, and an aluminum rod is taped to it instead. I'm now considering the best solution: keeping the rod or printing a full plastic pin. I designed the first solution. This is what it looks like. Something with a hole in it will be inserted in the center, and it should ideally support the umbrella's weight. I'll also apply glue everywhere to secure it. On the back, there's just a hole for the remaining plastic rod, which will be inserted here. Let me show you what it looks like on the umbrella. Here's what my design looks like. A hole is drilled inside. Then I applied glue and inserted the nozzle, and then the plastic rod. Now I need to wait for the glue to dry, while I print another element. I've already printed a test flask, and it's the right size, so now I'm printing the long version. I'll also glue the flask to provide additional plastic retention. But the third part will be more difficult. Well, friends, as you can see, the umbrella is working again. The plastic parts hold it in place as they should. I fixed 3 broken parts, so you can return it. I'll give you a 1-month warranty. If it breaks, I'll fix it again. But for now, everything works great. So, friends, 2 parts of the umbrella couldn't withstand the strong wind and broke. I've redone them and now I'm giving a 1-month warranty again. I did it differently and improved the umbrella's weak points. Let's wait a month.